Yes, sir.
Brother, we need a Father's Day never boring dinner. Fast.
Hot dog.
I'll allow it if you promise to weird it up in a good way.
Oh, I'm sorry, Chef Tony Bourdain's too good for the glizzy.
Not if it's wrapped in a bao bun, baby.
Go on.
Steamed bao, Togarashi dog, Korean BBQ glaze, sweet and spicy slaw, Maui Wowee style, pineapple heat crunch.
I see the vision.
Baos are easy, dough, rise, steamed, dusted, done.
And trending harder than Y2K pants at Coachella. Bet I'm in.
See you tomorrow, chef.
Wakanda forever.
Love you too.
What's up, everyone? Chef Tony Reed at Spiceology. We're here with Never Boring Dinner, Father's Day edition.
Happy Pappy Day.
We're gonna make the hot dog never boring with the bao bun.
Warm water, not boiling water.
Warm water. All right, we're gonna let this rise outside. Perfect 72 degrees out there. Punch this dough down. And get these in for about 10 minutes. We'll cut the heat off and let them sit for 4.
Togarashi Maui Wowee Korean BBQ Bao Hot Dog. Bao's never boring.
Glizzy bomb.
Glizzy gang. You get it in my hair?
No.
Okay.